Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to arrange a project file. First, let's talk about setting up a solid foundation. A well-organized project starts with a clear, consistent top-level directory structure. Imagine having a dedicated home for everything, from your source code to your final outputs. This initial step saves you countless hours later, ensuring everyone on your team, or even your future self, can quickly navigate the project's contents. It's about creating a logical, intuitive map for your work. Now, let's dive into a standard folder structure that works for many projects. You'll want a source folder for all your primary code and scripts, keeping your core work neatly together. Then, a docs folder is essential for all project specifications, notes, and user manuals, ensuring important information is always at hand. For creative elements, an assets or media directory will house all your images, audio, and video. Finally, an output or build folder is perfect for compiled files and final deliverables, keeping your finished products separate. Moving on to naming and subfolder strategies, consistency is truly key. Adopting clear naming conventions for both files and folders will dramatically improve searchability and understanding. Think about using descriptive names that immediately tell you what's inside. Within your main directories, don't hesitate to use subfolders to further categorize content logically. For example, inside assets, you might have images, audio, and video. Also, remember to avoid special characters and spaces in your names for better cross-platform compatibility, making your project more robust. To wrap things up, let's discuss best practices and ongoing maintenance. It's crucial to regularly review and refactor your project's file arrangement as it evolves. Projects are dynamic, and your structure should adapt. Instead of deleting old or unused files, archive them in a dedicated archive folder. You never know when you might need them again. Most importantly, communicate your organizational system clearly to all team members. This ensures everyone is on the same page, fostering a collaborative and efficient work environment for years to come.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.